Hey, I'm Jesse with Kalo Services, Service Director of the Villages. Today what I'm going to show you is how we go ahead and clean out the dryer vent. Pretty much the whole thing going all the way to the outside. We'll clean the actual lint collector in here and then the actual tube going from the dryer to the tube going up the wall. So I'll get started here and just kind of demonstrate what we do. First we're going to pull this out. And disconnect this tube. And here's the tube that goes from your dryer to the actual wall vent. And you can see in here you have quite a bit of lint. And lint is very flammable. It has caused thousands and thousands of fires. So it's good to get this cleaned out about every 6 months to a year is what I recommend. Also you can see on the, I'll set this down here. Also you can see on the back of the dryer, you have quite a bit of lint caught up in here too. And so you really want to get that out. It does cause the dryer to take a lot longer to dry the clothing. If you notice that it takes about twice as long as it normally does, then that's a good indication that the actual vent is clogged, partially at least. Alright, so I'm going to hook up the vacuum. I'm going to clean out this portion out. Alright, and so we got the main lint out of there. Now we want to take our brush and actually clean it out a little bit better. So then we're going to take this and just put it right in there, clean that out thoroughly. Alright, so now we want to clean out this portion. I have the floor clean, it's probably going to get dirty again. So this one here you can see, like I showed you previously, it's pretty clogged up. That's much better. Alright, before I clean up the rest of the mess, I'm just going to go straight into cleaning the one in the wall there, going out the attic or out the rooftop. Alright, now we've got that cleaned out real good. Obviously we got quite a bit out of there. It's pretty clogged up. That'll definitely cause the dryer to run longer. And so getting that cleaned out saves a fire hazard as well as money on the electric bill. So we'll go ahead and clean this up. Clean up anything we forced outside. And then clean the actual filter in the dryer itself as well. Put everything back together and we should be good to go. Alright, at this particular home, the dryer vent's coming out the roof. So I'm going to go up there, put everything back together, and tidy everything up. And then you'll have your normal vent, and this is what you should be cleaning out every couple of loads. And you're all set. Good to go. Alright, we just finished up cleaning the dryer vent. This is something you would have done during a maintenance on your main AC unit. If you're interested in having a maintenance as well as cleaning out the dryer vent, just give us a call at 352-243-7088, or you can find us on the web at kalosflorida.com.